If you watched the other Thrifted DIY Patio on a Budget design series videos, then you know I had been feeling like God was trying to slow me down. The resistance was so strong, I started questioning whether I was supposed to do the series or not. The very next morning, I realized my resistance was for a reason, because I woke up and the old patio was completely flooded. Keep in mind that our new patio was supposed to be installed the week before. Talking about dodging a bullet. So my lesson is sometimes it's wise to lean into the resistance because it could be God's way of protecting you from something catastrophic. The reason for the flood? We have a bunch of trees surrounding our patio, and I believe that the leaves and dirt and debris just clogged the drains so that the water had no place to escape. The biggest reason is probably because the building had the downspouts directed onto our patio instead of over the edge onto the courtyard. Like I said, we dodged a major bullet with that one. So I pulled out my gloves, a broom, a dustpan, water hose with high-pressure nozzle, some bleach, and a sprayer, and went to work. I also had a mask because I'm allergic to mold, which is why I ripped off the cotton from the bottom of the chaise. I swept everything off the patio into the channels because it kept the wind from blowing the dirt and debris everywhere, and it was easier to pick it up. After everything was swept, I pre-scrubbed the areas that had really tough stains with hot soapy water. Earlier that day, I purchased a sprayer from actually read the directions. I know that's a novel idea, but it was important because that step actually showed me how to release the pressure to lessen the likelihood of having chemical blowback in my face. Before you even say it, I'd know I should have worn safety glasses. But you live and you learn. So I filled the sprayer halfway with bleach and used the empty bleach container to put an equal amount of water into the spray container. I also added some grease-fighting dishwashing detergent to the mix. I pumped the sprayer until it wouldn't allow me to pump it anymore and slowly turned the nozzle backwards to release the pressure and allow the chemical to flow through. Then I used the squares as a guide to spray solution on sections of the patio. And I scrubbed those sections with a broom and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. After the solution soaked into the concrete, I sprayed clean hot water on the area and rinsed it. So now the patio was prepped and ready to go. I just had to wait until maintenance rerouted the downspout. It took a couple of days to get us on the schedule and only a couple of hours to correct the issue. Then I installed the new patio, and the rest, as they say, is history. Make sure you watch the rest of the Thrifted DIY Patio on a Budget design series, including the big patio reveal. Comment, like, subscribe, and share this video, and let me know how your patio turned out.